Smoked Japanese beef hambugu. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, taking our mixing bowl, making our hambugu, which takes 1 pound of Wagyu beef, 1 pound of ground pork. Then adding in panko breadcrumbs, milk, onions, eggs, and meat church blanco. We're gonna give this a nice gentle mix till everything has been combined. Rolling this into 4 balls into a round patty and slap to remove any air bubbles. Placing this onto a nice baking sheet just like so. Smoking this at 275 till it reaches 160 degrees. Back inside, we're going to be taking our Bachan Japanese barbecue sauce, then adding in some water, letting this reduce down, and adding in our burgers right back in, tossing into the sauce and serve. We're going to be serving this tonight with some jasmine rice and sauteed spinach. We're going to be serving this with Ichigokura Daijango sake. Aromas of jasmine and rose petals meet with soft tropical fruits. Style that is smooth, light, and refreshing. And there we have it, an amazing smoked Japanese beef hambugu. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now you're here. Bye-bye.